to my channel. Hi guys, today we do exercise.
Okay guys, today we start with neck exercises.
Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Next exercise, we're doing shoulders rotations. We're doing 5 to the front and 5 to the back. Let's do it.
Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great.
Today we are doing exercises that are good for kids, for teenagers, for adults. So we'll show you how to do it. It's very easy and it's a lot of fun. So let's start with the warm-up for neck exercise.
Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great.
Nice. Next exercise will be shoulders rotation. So we'll do 5 to the front and 5 to the back.
Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, our next exercise will be warm-up hips.
Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great.
Our next exercise will be the jog. Let's do it.
Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And the next exercise will be a ready and squat.
Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Our next exercise will be knee up, hop.
Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Our next exercise will be jumping jacks.
Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And now we're doing some punches.
Ready? Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Our next exercise will be kicks.
Ready? Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Our next exercise will be a running man.
Ready? Beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job.
Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.